We get asked this question a lot,
What is the difference between GSR and 3D-GS?
and it's kind of a trick question. GSR and 3D-GS is a lot like comparing fruit and apples. GSR is the category of fruit, while 3D-GS is an apple in the category of fruit. This is because 3D-GS is only one type of method of GSR, much like NURFs are another type of method of GSR. Lots of people are using the term GSR more and more as methods around scene reconstruction are developing in this huge new spatial AI industry. A new highly relightable GSR method, for example, is Quidient's planoptic condensation, or PCON. So what exactly is GSR? GSR is a consumer-friendly product category, like GPS or MRI, that describes a part of the virtualization industry. In a more technical sense, GSR represents capturing spatial or 5D scenes from our physical world that includes light and matter. As a result of GSR being a descriptive term of scene reconstruction methods, the terms GSR and Generalized Scene Reconstruction are not trademarked, and they never will be. We look forward to hearing GSR used in everyday language when people discuss the virtual world. Follow to learn more about this new emerging industry.